Ready to explore the best WiiM amplifiers of 2025? Whether you want to power a home theater, stream music in every room, or enjoy crystal clear HiFi sound, WiiM has an amp designed for you and your budget. In this countdown, we'll reveal the top 5 WiiM amps you should know, from the versatile WiiM Amp at $299 to the feature-packed WiiM Amp Ultra at $529. Stick around, because by the end you'll know exactly which one is the perfect fit for your setup. Starting off our list at number 5 is the WiiM Amp, one of the most versatile and budget-friendly options in the WiiM lineup. Priced at just $299, this little powerhouse is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their sound system without overspending. The WiiM Amp is designed for today's connected lifestyle. With multi-room streaming support, you can enjoy seamless music playback across different rooms in your home. It's fully compatible with AirPlay, Google Cast, and Alexa, making it easy to control with your voice or directly from your favorite apps. Connectivity is a big win here. You get HDMI ARC, which lets you hook it up directly to your TV for movies and shows, plus the ability to stream from platforms like Spotify, Amazon Music, and Tidal. That means whether you're binging your favorite series or hosting a party, the WiiM Amp delivers clear, room-filling sound. I'd love to know, what would you use the WiiM Amp for? A home theater upgrade or a multi-room music setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. For its price, the WiiM Amp is one of the best entry-level streaming amplifiers in 2025, compact, affordable, and packed with smart features you usually see on much more expensive models. Coming in at number 4, we have the WiiM Vibelink Amp, a compact powerhouse built for serious sound lovers. Priced at just $299, this amplifier is all about delivering clean, detailed, and powerful audio that feels far more premium than its price tag suggests. The Vibelink Amp packs an impressive 100 watts of power, making it strong enough to drive a wide variety of speakers with ease. At the core, it uses the premium ESS 9039Q2M DAC, paired with TI-TPA 3255 amplification, ensuring every note sounds crystal clear, whether you're listening to high-res music, watching movies, or gaming. It's designed to work seamlessly with other WiiM products like the Mini, Pro, Pro Plus, and Ultra, giving you flexibility in building a customized system. And thanks to its RCA, coaxial, and optical inputs, you can connect a wide range of sources to enjoy both modern streaming and traditional hi-fi. Here's a question for you. Do you see yourself using the Vibelink Amp more for music listening or for a home entertainment setup? Let me know in the comments below. At this price, the WiiM Vibelink Amp is one of the best mid-tier options in 2025, combining serious power, premium DAC performance, and excellent compatibility for an affordable package. At number 3, we have the WiiM Amp Pro, a next-level streaming amplifier that proves just how much innovation WiiM has packed into their 2025 lineup. Priced at $379, it's a powerful yet affordable upgrade for anyone who wants more flexibility and smarter features in their system. The Amp Pro takes everything great about the standard WiiM Amp and pushes it further. It supports multi-room streaming, letting you enjoy synchronized music throughout your home. With built-in Google Cast and Alexa support, you can control it hands-free, while HDMI ARC makes it a perfect companion for your TV setup. What really sets the Amp Pro apart is how effortlessly it blends streaming and convenience. You can stream from Spotify, Amazon Music, Tidal, and more with high-res clarity, while voice control and app integration make managing your music a breeze. Despite its compact design, the Amp Pro delivers powerful, room-filling sound that feels balanced, dynamic, and rich. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think the Amp Pro is the perfect middle ground between budget-friendly amps and high-end options? Drop your answer in the comments below. For its price, the WiiM Amp Pro is one of the best all-around amplifiers in 2025, combining smart features, strong performance, and true multi-room versatility. Coming in at number 2 is the WiiM Ultra Music Streamer and Digital Preamp, a sleek device that combines versatility, streaming power, and modern design in one compact package. Priced at just $329, it's one of the most exciting mid-range options in WiiM's lineup for 2025. What makes the Ultra stand out is its 3.5-inch touchscreen, giving you a responsive, easy-to-navigate control right on the device itself. It supports Google Cast and Alexa, so you can control your music by voice, while the app lets you manage multi-room playback effortlessly. Connectivity is a major highlight. The Ultra includes HDMI ARC for TV integration, a phono input for vinyl lovers, and even a headphone output for private listening. Whether you're streaming from Spotify, Amazon Music, Tidal, or other high-res services, the Ultra ensures a clean, dynamic sound tailored to your setup. This device isn't just about convenience, it's about flexibility. It can serve as the digital hub of your HiFi system, bridging both classic and modern sources with ease. Here's my question. Would you use the Ultra more as a music streamer or as a control center for your entire setup? Let me know in the comments below. For its price and features, the WiiM Ultra is one of the best all-in-one streamers in 2025, balancing usability, connectivity, and high-quality sound. And finally, taking the #1 spot on our list is the WiiM Amp Ultra, the flagship of the WiiM lineup, and without question one of the most advanced streaming amplifiers you can buy in 2025. Priced at $529, it's designed for those who want power, precision, and next-gen features in one sleek package. The Amp Ultra packs a serious punch with 100 watts of clean power, driven by dual TI TPA 3255 amps, and the premium ESS ES9039Q2M DAC. That means you get breathtaking detail, rich dynamics, and enough muscle to drive even demanding speakers with ease. What makes it even more impressive is the inclusion of Room Fit EQ, an advanced system that automatically tunes the sound to your room's acoustics. Add the built-in touchscreen and voice remote too, and you get a user experience that feels truly premium. Connectivity is future-proof, HDMI ARC, optical, RCA, and more, plus seamless streaming from Spotify, Amazon Music, Tidal, and beyond. It also integrates with Google Cast and Alexa, giving you full multi-room and voice control. So tell me, if budget wasn't a concern, would the Amp Ultra be your ultimate pick, or would you still prefer one of the smaller models? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For its unmatched blend of power, features, and innovation, the WiiM Amp Ultra deserves the #1 spot in 2025. And that's our countdown of the top 5 WiiM amps to know in 2025. From the affordable WiiM Amp to the flagship Amp Ultra, there's truly a model for every setup, whether you're starting small or aiming for a high-end system. WiiM continues to stand out by blending modern streaming, smart control, and excellent sound quality at prices that make sense. So tell me, which WiiM amp would you choose for your setup this year? Share your pick in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more audio gear guides. Thanks for watching.